Jai Shri Ram friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Queen of One Star Reading 369 Universe Calling. So today's reading is about the message from universe for all of you, and this is Universe Message Volume 5. So let's see what is the message for all of you from the universe. And I would like to give shout out to Swastik Physiotherapy and Wellness Center for the best physiotherapy center in India. You can contact them if you want any physiotherapy help or home care services. You can contact them. So let's start with the reading and let's find out what is the message from the universe for all of you. So here I'll give you options. This is purple stone and this is white stone. You can select any one of them, whosoever attracts you. Alright, I hope you have selected. So let's see what's the message for all those who selected the purple stone, and then we'll see for the white stone. So let's see for all those who selected the purple stone, what is the message from the universe for all of them. And in the meantime, please subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. So let's see what's the message for all those who selected the purple stone. Let's see what's the message from the universe for all those who selected the purple stone. Master of Nostradamus, please give me the message for all those who selected the purple stone. What is the message for them? Please tell me. Please give me the message for all those who selected the purple stone. Something is really bothering you. Something is bothering you. You're not able to sleep in the night, crying, remembering something. But universe is saying that it's time for victory now. So what all happened in your life because of which you were in depression and something you were missing. Maybe you were looking for a good job. Maybe you were looking for peace in your life. Maybe a good job or any other opportunity. And you were really stressed about it. Now the things will change and things will be in your favor. Because we got the victory card. This is the victory card. Okay, so it also shows that you were really angry on somebody, fighting with somebody, maybe with your life partner, maybe you are married, or if you are in a relationship, you were continuously fighting and arguing with that person. Maybe because that person was involved in something which you thought he's hiding from you. But it can be your imagination, or maybe it can be your thinking that that person has a relationship with somebody else, because I think that you are very angry here, and apart from that you are also imagining things which doesn't exist. So you are fighting with your partner on things or issues which never existed. But why was this happening with you? Maybe because you were looking for a victory in a relationship or in your career, and that thing didn't happen. That thing didn't happen in the way you wanted. And you have to follow the rules and guidelines as per your partner. You are following all the rules and guidelines of your partner, and you are feeling that you are not able to be as successful as your partner is. You're also imagining things which doesn't exist about your life partner. Let me just see if your life partner is a nice person or not. Because what I can see here is that you are really frustrated with that person. You are with your children, you are with your family, and you are not trusting your life partner. And you're thinking that that person is lying to you, and you're imagining things. Because you wanted success, but you have to follow his or her guidelines. So why is this? Is your husband trustworthy? Okay, so we got this King of Swords here. So definitely he is a king. He is a king and very good with communication. He knows what to say, when to say. And he is blessing somebody, and this somebody is you. So he considers you as somebody whom he wants to bless, with whom he wants to stay. So it's not that he is not, maybe he is helping other people, which is bothering you. You are thinking that he is helping them, maybe there is something wrong with him. But it's not that. He is helping other people because this is his nature. This is his nature of helping those who want help from him. So it's not that it means that he has an extramarital affair or he's involved with somebody else. So this is his nature. Let's see this card. It just came out. Yes, now here this lady comes, and as I told you, this is his nature and this is what she's pointing at. You can look at this. So even if there is any other lady in his life and you're thinking that he has an affair with this lady, it's not the case, because this lady required help. This lady required help, it can be a man also, and your husband just helped her. Maybe she was in a difficult situation, she wanted a job, maybe there was some problem in her life. So he helped her, and you started imagining that maybe he is involved with this lady, and somehow it affected your thought process. So, what I can tell you here is that this reading is mainly for all those who are in a relationship and who are doubting their partner. Can be a married relationship, or you can be together for a while and now you are doubting that person's intention, and you are thinking that that person is not as loyal as you are, and maybe he is with other people. But that's not the truth. He is helping other people, but he is there with you. He is helping you also, and he is there with you, and you have to follow his guidelines. And you are thinking that that's the obstruction in your success, but that's not the story. So you can look at this house which is looking empty from here, but then there are so many, people here. You can look at the there are like lots of people with the weapons. In the same way, this is what is happening with you and your partner. Your relationship looks normal from outside, but in your marriage, you are in your relationship, you are all thinking a lot, lots of arguments in your mind, conflicts in your mind. And then see, card is saying you just need to move ahead in your life with your life partner. Just move ahead in your life, and you can just see that they're taking this child with them and moving ahead. This is the card of Chariot. So Chariot means that you are moving ahead in your life. So this is what you need to do. And if you will follow this, because this is major arcana, so if you follow this, things will change for you. And in this entire reading, these are the two main major arcana cards which we have got. And see, it clearly says that this lady, whomsoever, if you are doubting that there is some other lady in his or her life, this lady is clearly indicating, look at her finger movement, that he is with you and with your child. So you are a family, I am not there. So this is the clear indication. This third person doesn't exist in your married life. This third person is there, but then maybe your husband is just helping her, just like a friend. But you are over imagining about the situation. This is something which you have to avoid, because lots of conflict in your mind. So this is what you have to do. Just focus on your family life and avoid this type of people, because they have nothing to do in your life. You have your own sweet life, and just focus on your life rather than thinking that something is wrong. So yes, this is what is the message from the universe for all those who selected the purple stone. And see, it will be your victory, because we got the victory card. So you don't have to overthink. You don't have to, get disturbed about your husband or your life partner, that they are with somebody else. Even if you are not married, if you are in a relationship, still trust your life partner, and don't think that there is a third party, because there is no third party in this situation, and it's just imagination. It's just that you are imagining things which doesn't exist. Alright, so this is a message from the universe for all those who selected the purple stone. Now let's see what's the message for all those who selected the white stone. What's the message from the universe? Nostradamus, please tell me what is the message from universe in volume 5 for all those who selected the white stone. What is the message for them? What is the message for them? Somebody is in depression. Something is really bothering you, and something had suddenly happened. Maybe you are fired from your job. Maybe you are receiving maybe you are receiving negative comments or negative things from people. Something which was silent for a long time has suddenly erupted. The volcano has erupted on you. Maybe somebody has came to know about your relationship, secret relationship. Maybe if in your family, your wife, or maybe somebody has known something, or maybe you have came to know about something, and something has really shocked you. Something has really shocked you. And now you are really praying that you just want to be safe, because it looks like maybe your secret has been revealed. Your secret has been revealed. Somebody knows your secret, or something has happened which has really shocked you, and now you are praying to God that things should be in your favor and it should get resolved. Let's see what has happened. Maybe you can also get involved in a police case. Maybe a legal thing can happen. That's why you are scared. So it looks like in your relationship something has all of a sudden happened. If you are married, maybe your wife has or your husband has come to know about something going on in your life which was secret. Which was secret. This building is completely closed. But then there is fire now in this building, which means that something has been exposed, something has been, revealed. And whatever this thing is which has been revealed, you are praying to God that it should get, resolved. Otherwise, there will be lots of trouble. This policemen are approaching towards you. Maybe you signed a business deal, or maybe you signed a project with somebody, and now you came to know that that person betrayed you, and that person lied to you. Maybe you are a contractor. Maybe you were constructing a building. You are planning to construct a building at a place, and you realize that your partner he was not loyal to you and he betrayed you, and now you came to realize that, and now there is a police case or something like that, and that land doesn't belong to you, and now you are really disturbed. Something has happened in the recent time which has shocked you. Can be in a relationship, can be in a business project, can be in your personal life. So that has really shocked you, and now you are praying to God, and you are praying to every person who can help you in this situation. And not specifically God, I would say. You are mainly trying to get help from negative entities. By negative entities I mean that if you are in a construction business, so maybe you are trying to use your approach to get out of this police case. Or if you have some problem in your personal life, maybe in your married life, then you are trying to get help from the lawyer, so that the case turns out to be in your favor. So you are trying every aspect to get things in your favor. But yes, it's not the right thing. I mean, what all is happening, it's not the honest way of approaching. So there is something wrong. Maybe you have done something wrong, and now you are taking help from the wrong people, because they are the one who can help you in this. Let's see. And yes, as I told you, they are the one who can help you in this. That's why you're taking help from them. You're using your approach, and you will get success in this. So if there is any situation in your life wherein you have received a sudden shocking news when it comes to a building construction, maybe your job, maybe your marriage, maybe your married life, maybe your relationship. So what is happening is the truth has been revealed, and that is shocking for everyone. You can also get into a police trouble, but then you will use your approach, you will use your mind, you will take the help from your friends, family members, or somebody who could help you in that particular situation to take you out of this depression. So now there is a good news card, which means that what all things you will try, it will be in your favor. So if you are stuck in a situation, you will be able to get out of the situation. Universe is telling you that you will be able to handle the situation and get out of the situation with your magician mind. You are using your magician mind. You are very intelligent, and you will be using your magician mind to get out of the situation and start with a new beginning. But yes, this is for sure that after this you will definitely avoid any such situation, and it will be a new beginning for you. So new beginning card means that what all things happened in the past, you will not repeat your mistakes here, and it will be a good news for you. It will come in your favor. You will use your magician mind, and finally there will be a new beginning. So if you are caught in a legal trouble in a personal life, there is some issue, marriage life or any other thing, you will be able to get out of it by using your approach, by taking the help from your people, and finally you will be you will be able to succeed in this. You will be successful, and this is a good news card. You are the magician. You are using your brain power, your mind power, and then finally a new beginning is on the horizon. So wonderful reading for you. But yes, there are lots of mistakes which are reflecting here, maybe unknowingly, and which will backfire you. But then you will be able to handle the situation, and finally you will realize that things will be in your favor, and you will have to use your magician mind. If you want a good outcome, you will have to use your magician mind. So that's the reading for all those who selected the white stone. And I hope you like the reading. If you want a personalized reading, because this is a general reading, so if you want a personalized reading, and you can just WhatsApp me. I'm an international tarot card reader, so you can WhatsApp me. The number is 9899000366, and the country code is 91. Alright, thank you so much for watching me. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Bharat.